Imagine this: a viral Instagram model with millions of followers. Perfect hair, stunning selfies, daily brand deals. Here's the twist: she doesn't exist. She's a virtual influencer built with AI. And today, I'm going to show you how to create your own digital influencer from scratch and monetize it like a real business. Let's get into it. Step 1. What is a virtual influencer? A virtual influencer is a digital character powered by AI, animation, and creative design that builds an audience on social media, just like a real person. You've probably seen Lil Miquela, Imma, or Shudu. They're brands, not humans. And they make millions per year from sponsorships, music, merch, and more. And the best part? You don't need to be a celebrity, designer, or coder to create one today. Step 2. Choose a profitable persona. Before we create the face, we need the brand. Ask yourself, what's their niche? Fashion, motivation, tech, luxury? What's their backstory or tone? Mysterious, empowering, funny? What makes them followable? Example 1. A futuristic AI girl who shares productivity tips, plus motivation reels. Example 2. A luxury virtual model who reviews high-end fashion and promotes affiliate links. Pro tip: choose a niche with high CPM potential, like finance, fashion, fitness, or tech. Step 3. Build the visual identity. Now it's time to create your virtual persona. Here are 3 beginner-friendly tools. Option 1. Ready Player Me, free 3D avatar maker. Customize face, clothes, vibe. Export to video or gaming engines. Option 2. DID or HeyGen. Upload a photo and give it a face, blonde voice. Works well for IG Reels, talking head shorts. Option 3. Mid-Journey, plus Photoshop. Use prompts like hyper-realistic female influencer, soft lighting, high fashion style. Edit in Canva or PS for background consistency. Make 10-20 base poses and expressions. That's your content bank for weeks. Step 4. Launch on the right platforms. The fastest way to grow? Go where people are already going viral. Start with Instagram Reels, aesthetic plus viral reach. TikTok, edgy plus experimental. YouTube Shorts, longer shelf life. Bonus, X, Twitter for text-based persona building. Keep your bio simple. AI-powered influencer sharing tips on niche. DM for collabs and promotions. Step 5. Content strategy, copy plus paste format. Here's the viral formula that works for virtual influencers. Format 1. Relatable quotes, plus aesthetic visuals. Image plus text, normalize making money quietly. Caption, built with AI inspired by truth. Format 2. Talking head advice. Use DID to make your avatar talk over a voiceover script. Keep it under 45 seconds. Format 3, this or that, and POVs. AI-generated comparisons like 9-to-5 versus digital creator. Use Mid-Journey to make each image. Use tools like ChatGPT for captions. CapCut plus Canva for editing. 11 Labs or Fleeky for voiceovers. Step 6. Monetization models. Pick 2 to 3. This is where the magic happens. Brand deals and sponsored posts. DM microbrands or tag affiliate-friendly companies. Use influencer platforms like FameBit or Influencity. Affiliate marketing. Promote digital products, Amazon finds, or SaaS tools. Create Linktree with top picks. Collect commissions. Digital products. Sell Notion templates, ebooks, or courses. Frame it as What influencer name uses daily? Merch or NFTs. Launch unique character-based merch. Or create limited edition digital collectibles. Subscription-only content. Launch a Patreon, fan house, or Gumroad for exclusive tips. Step 7. Grow with automation and AI. Want this to run like a business? Here's the system. Use ChatGPT to plan weekly content. Use Canva Pro for batch content design. Use Metricool or Buffer to auto-post. Use Zapier to trigger DMs from post to email list. This isn't a side hustle, it's an automated brand machine. Bonus, how to go viral fast. Here's what's working right now. Use AI face reveal as a hook. Drop mysterious or edgy captions. Collaborate with meme pages or use remix formats. Jump on viral audio and use it to react to real-world topics. Tease that the influencer is part of a bigger brand or secret project. Always include a CTA like, tag someone who needs to hear this, or follow for daily digital glow-ups. Case study example, optional voiceover add-on. Nova AI was created on Midjourney and DID. In 60 days, she grew to 60,000 followers on TikTok, just reposting aesthetic visuals with quote overlays. After her 4th viral video, she landed a brand deal with a fashion AI app worth $200. No human face, no real person, all AI. And you can do this too. This is the future of influence, AI-driven, always on and profitable from day one. You don't need to be famous. You just need the tools, the system, and a little bit of creativity. Hit subscribe if you want more faceless content ideas, viral systems, and monetized blueprints. This is Pocket Full of Profits, where AI builds your brand and you keep the profits.